you are ready to take your content to the next level, right? Like the kind of content that makes $1,000+ a month. You have good ideas. I mean, really good ideas that you just want to get out of your head and turn those rich ideas of yours into profit. No problem. I got you covered. Today, I'll share my 3-step content creation planner so that you can say goodbye to overwhelm and inconsistency, create content that resonates with your audience, and monetize that knowledge of yours. You ready for this, boss lady? Let's go. In this video, you'll discover how to create content consistently and efficiently using my 3-step content creation planner so that you can turn your content into profitable content. And we'll start with a strategy that's really going to make a huge impact on your content creation process. I want to cover this strategy first before we dive into the actual 3 steps of creating content. You will thank me later. So before you start creating content, you first need to identify your core. There are 4 key questions that you need to answer to accomplish this. I call it your creator core, and it is vital to your content creation process. Let's take a look at it. I designed the creator core to help you create strategic, consistent content. And the messaging that is going to frame your content should cover 4 key questions. And those questions are: who do you help? What do you help them do? How do you help them do it? And why they should do it with you. Let's break down each one really quickly so that you can get a full picture of what this looks like. Now, who do you help is the vital question to the core of your creator business because it identifies who makes up your target market, more specifically, your avatar. And that is the exact person that you can help with your rich, valuable content. And the second question, what do you help them do, is really important because it identifies what I call your PPD, and that is your power pivot declaration. In other words, what pivot can you help your avatar accomplish? And that pivot is really based on 3 specific scenarios: either to solve a problem, to achieve a goal, or to get to their happy place. Now, how you help them do it is the offer, the platform, the system, the framework by which you help them do the thing that you say you can help them do. It's actually how you deliver on the thing that they are trusting you to help them do. And then why they should do this thing with you. That messaging is shown through how you resonate with your audience, how you identify with your audience, how you connect with your audience. And when you resonate, when you connect, when you identify from your authentic self, then they have a reason why they should do this thing. They should solve their problem or achieve a goal or get to their happy place. Why they should do that with you. Now, if you skip this process, this creator core process, you can really run into burnout. And here's why. Because you are overloading your creativity, trying to just create a whole lot of content when really you only need strategic content. A lot of content is not always the answer. Strategic content is always the answer. And your creator core answers the strategic content that you should be creating. So once you identify your creator core, it's time to start creating content. Now, in a bit, I'll show you the exact strategies to stay consistent and profitable. But for now, let's cover the exact steps to creating content. Creating your profitable content can be an easy process when you approach it in 3 steps. Let's take a look at my 3-step content creation planner, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. In the planner, you will utilize the 3 step content graphic to grasp the flow of the content creation process. And that process includes pre-writing, writing, and scheduling. So in step 1, the pre-writing phase, you're going to plan your topic and the main ideas that surround that topic. For instance, lately I've been covering a lot of content for my audience that surrounds content creation. When planning for this particular video, I knew that my topic was going to be all about how to use content creation, particularly content creation with this planning system, to get to $1,000+ per month. Now, there are 3 main ideas that I am covering in this video. The first is there is a creator core strategy that you need to apply before you start creating the content. That was my main idea number 1. My main idea number 2 covers the exact 3 steps to creating that content. And then my main idea number 3 covers consistency and profitability with the content that you created. In step 2, you're going to write the content for that topic, including the main ideas and the details for each of those main ideas. And then in step 3, it's time to schedule your content. You're going to schedule when to publish and where to publish your content. Now that you have created your content, I want to cover how you can stay consistent and profitable. The objective here is to maintain content consistency and then turn that content into profit by aligning it with your creator business goal, like hitting $1,000+ a month. Here are 3 tips to stay consistent and profitable. Number 1, repurpose your content. Turn that one piece of content into multiple formats. In other words, your YouTube video can be your blog post, it can be Instagram captions, it can be a podcast episode. This maximizes your efforts and really enlarges your territory in terms of connecting your contents with the right audience. Number 2, align your content with your offers. Ensure that each piece of content supports your business objectives, whether that's promoting a product, growing your email list, or boosting your brand visibility. Always incorporate your content with whatever strategic steps you're taking toward your business goals. That is so very important. And then number 3, track your performance regularly. What I mean by that is look at your analytics. What kind of traffic are you getting when you are posting this content? Visibility is the game. And I'm not talking about huge numbers of people when I talk about visibility. You don't need 1 million followers to make $1 million. But your content does need to be seen by the right people, people who you can help. And so when you are looking at your analytics, look at your conversions. In other words, how much are you converting your offer based on the content that you are putting out there? You want to understand what's working. So you're going to use that analytical data that you're going to gather, and you're going to use that analytical data to create your strategy, to create that strategy of the exact content you are going to create based on your core and based on what your offer is either now or the offers that are coming down in the pipeline. So repurposing your content to several platforms, I call them containers, but platforms, and aligning your content with your business model strategy and using your analytics, what's actually happening with this content that you're putting out is so very important to your process. It's so very important to creating your content in a way that gets you to that $1,000+ a month. Let's monetize that content. And you can apply this entire plan that I shared today with my 3-step content planner. You got this because I got you. You can grab your 3-step content creation planner today. The link is in the description. Content creation is your moneymaker, boss lady, and you can use this content creation strategy that you learn today to continually increase your revenue, to get to $1,000+ a month, and continually to increase more and more and more, even to 6 figures. Now, there are 5 signs of a 6-figure creator, and that 6-figure creator is in you. She's in there. Click on this video right here to learn exactly how to take your content creation strategy to that 6-figure mark. You got this because I got you. It's Angela here, and until next time, always be creating. Here's your video. Bye for now.